Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study university biology. Begin by previewing your lecture material, perhaps for 15 to 20 minutes before each class. This primes your brain for new information. During lectures, focus on understanding the main ideas rather than transcribing every word. Jot down key terms, definitions, and any questions that arise. This active approach significantly boosts comprehension and retention. Biology is highly conceptual, so connecting ideas is crucial. Develop concept maps that illustrate relationships between different topics. Visual aids like diagrams of cellular processes or anatomical structures can clarify complex information. Try drawing these yourself, labeling each part. Furthermore, explaining difficult concepts out loud, as if teaching someone else, helps identify gaps in your knowledge and reinforces what you've learned. Consistent practice is vital for mastering biology. Work through practice problems from your textbook or online resources. Attempting past exam questions can also familiarize you with question styles and common topics. Schedule dedicated review sessions at least once a week to revisit older material. This spaced repetition prevents you from forgetting important details. Flashcards are excellent for quickly testing your recall of terms and processes. For deeper understanding, consider joining a study group. Discussing concepts with peers can offer new perspectives and clarify difficult areas. Don't hesitate to attend your professor's office hours. They are a valuable resource for personalized help and insights. Remember, effective study habits are a marathon, not a sprint. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.